that fail to start with codes P3101, P3190 or P3191. There is a common problem. When they do the oil change, they put too much oil. 4 quarters could be too much oil. It's usually 3.7. The oil is sucked to the intake manifold. You can see it right there. When the cat is old, it's sucked by the PCV and it's sent it through the throttle body. See, this is the PCV hole. Then it goes inside the intake manifold. Then later on, it goes to the spark plugs. So that can create a no start condition and a misfire. So the solution is, if you have more than 90,000 miles, you can tell that the oil is coming if you follow the PCV hose. Then goes all the way to the PCV valve. You gotta remove a couple things to replace it. It's not that easy, but it can be done by you. And if the problem is because they put too much oil, the solution would be throw some brake cleaner here, and if you have a suction gun, you can suction the fluid, and if you don't, you can stick a towel and put some on until you get rid of all the oil. Remove the spark plugs and clean them, or replace them. I would say replace them, because they get faulty. Then you're gonna have to clear the codes in the vehicle. Start again.